Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use eBay listing templates. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to selling section at the bottom side of your screen and press the button list an item if you're starting a new one, or tap on active and select an existing listing if you want to build a template from it. I will start a new listing, so list an item, and now I need to browse the product I want to sell. For example, it will be sneakers. For example, these ones. Here I need to select the condition. It's just for example. Continue button. And now when filling out your listing details like title, category, condition, item specifics, etc., pay attention to the sections you use frequently across multiple items. And after creating the listing you like, scroll down and look for the option Save for Later. And here you see that I have it in my drafts. And the next time you want to list a similar item, again, enter the selling section and use this draft to list an item. So here you see edit, and then continue editing your listing. And once you make your edits, so let me show you. After you did some changes to your listing, press this blue button, list your item, to publish your listing. To publish your listing. So that's basically how you can create eBay listing templates. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.